Adama City. Attacking from Adama City. It is still from Adama. Ball served. Attacking Adama City. Ball served. Attacking from Adama City. Ball served. Hadiya, Hossana. It is still ball served. Attacking, dangerous attack. Attacking Adama. Ball served. Hadiya, Hossana. Dangerous attacked Adama City. Attacking Adama City. Dangerous attack from Adama City. Dangerous attacked. It is still. Dangerous attacks Adama City. Adama City, ball served. It is now throwing from Hadiya, Hossana. Ball served. Hadiya, Hossana. Ball served. Ball served. Ball served Adama City. Ball served Adama City. It is still with Adama. Ball served. Dangerous attacks Hadiya, Hossana. Ball served again by Adama City. Ball served. Oh, injured from Adama City. We still, it is 0-1. Adama City 0. Hadiya, Hossana 1. Injured from Adama City. Injured. We have injured from Adama City. Adama City 0. Hadiya, Hossana 1. Adama City, ball served. Ball still with Adama City. Attacking Adama City. Ball served again. Dangerous attack Adama City. Oh, ball served again by Hadiya, Hossana. Ball served. Hadiya, Hossana. The ball is with Hadiya, Hossana. Dangerous attacks again. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack Hadiya, Hossana. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack again. Hadiya is about to score. Oh, ball served again by Adama City. The ball is with Adama City. Ball served again. Ball served, it is corner kick. We have one cut so far. Hadiya got caught so far. Attacking from Adama City. Attacking Adama City toward Hadiya Hossana. Ball saved again by Hadiya Hossana. Oh, it is throw in by Adama City. Ball saved again. Adama City. The play is back to the game. The one that got injured. Ball saved by attacking Adama City. Adama City. Oh, dangerous attack. Dangerous attack by Adama City. Oh, ball saved again by Hadiya. It is free kick now. Free kick. Now it is goal kick by Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya. Attacking Hadiya. Attacking Hadiya Hossana. Ball saved again. Oh, it is throw in by the Adama City. It is free kick. Hadiya. It is free kick. It is free kick now. Dangerous attack from Adama City. Dangerous attack. The Adama City about to score a goal. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack from Adama City. A dangerous attack. Still. What do you think should be the score? Oh, this is corner kick. Corner. It is corner. Dangerous attacked again from Adama City. Oh, it is in position. Throw in. It is throw in by Adama City. I think the Adama City, they want to score because they've been given one goal so far. What do you think should be the first half time? Will it be 1-1 or will it be 1-0? Do you think that Adama City is going to score or not? So far it is 0-1. Attack from Adama. Dangerous attack Adama City. Adama City. Oh. Shot of target. Goal kick from Hadiya. Shot of target Adama City. Goal kick again by Hadiya Hossana. Goal kick, Hadiya Hossana. Oh, dangerous attack. It is attack, Hadiya Hossana. It is attacked from Hadiya Hossana. We have Thomas again from we have Thomas Gain. We have other players from Hadiya, which are real playing very hard, attacking Adama City from Adama City. Dangerous attack from Adama City. Dangerous attack. The Adamas, they want to score. They want to score goal. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attack, Adama City. The Adamas, they want to score. They want to score a goal. We have Negash Tadese from Hadiya Hossana, which is number 34. We have Khalib Abebe, number 5. Ebane, number 18. We have Adongo, number 29. We have Bekele, number 44. We have Banja Beyene, number 27. We have Todros Tafis, 35. Weldionis Tamrat, number 38. We have Joseph Segap, number 28. Walis Sintayo, number 33. Barakat Waldionis, number 4. From Hadiya Hossana players. So if we come to Adama players, we have Sisai, number 16. We have others player like Sharif Redwan, which is number 31. And we have Shamil, 18. Nuri, number 9. Moses Kiros, number 26. Fort Ibrahim, number 6. We have Elias, number 20. We have Elias again, number 19. Awal, number 8, and Adunya, number 30 as well. So they all are perfect player from Adama City, and they are doing great. And they are about to score a goal. They are really playing, so they do not want Hadiya to defeat them. And what's your prediction right now? Do you think that's gonna end with 0-1, or do you think that Adama City is going to score any goal on the first match? And what is your prediction? What do you think will happen in a few minutes later? We have 38 minutes now, 38 minutes, which we still in the first half time. And what is your prediction gonna be? A dangerous attack, ball saved by Adama City. Ball saved, dangerous attack from Hadiya. Goal in position. Adama City got the ball. Attack Adama City. Attack from Adama City. Attack Adama City. Dangerous attack. Adama want to score the goal. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attacked by Adama City. Attack Adama City is still, his ball is with the Adama. Ball is in position. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Hadiya. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana is about to score. Ball is in position. It's still dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attacked. Ball is in position again. Adama City. Ball saved. Ball is in position with Adama City. The ball is with the Adamas. In position again. Adama City still hold the ball. In position again. Adama City is still with the ball. Adama City, it is in position. So far we have one card so far. Throw in by Hadiya Hossana right now, and now ball saved again by Hadiya. Ball saved. We still have a long way to go. We still have long ways to go. Still Adamas, they are doing great, and they want to score. They want to reach Hadiya Hossana. They do not want to, end the match first half with 0-1. They want to score 1 goals right away. That's why they've been attacking Hadiya, constant attack right now. And dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana, they want to score the second goal. Still Adama got the ball. The ball is in the position of Adamas. Throw in by Adama City. The ball is with the Adama. Adama City got the ball. In position, Adama City again. Still the ball is in position. Adama City got the ball. Still the ball is with the Adama series. Still Adama series. I think the Adama City, they are expected to score a goal anytime soon, because the way they've been attacking the Hadiya players, it meant that they want to score the goal so bad. Still Adama City, the ball is with the Hadiya Hossana. Still Adama ball served by the Adama City. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Still ball with the Hadiya Hossana. Still ball with the Hadiya. The Hadiya, they are doing great. They don't want to give the ball to the Adamas. Dangerous attack by ball served again by Adama City. We still have some time. We still remain with 4 minutes for the first half time to over. Attack Hadiya Hossana in position. Goal is the ball is in position with the Hadiya Hossana. We still have time. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana is about to score a goal. Adama has got the ball. It is now goal kick. Adama City. The ball is in position with the Adama City. What do you think? Do you think that the Adamas will score and goal? Do you think the first half will be 1-1 or will it be 0-1? Attack Adama City. The Adama City. The ball is still with the Adama City. The Adamas, they want to score the goal. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. The ball is still with the Hadiya. Attack from Adama City. Throw in by Adama City. Attack Adama City. Still the attack. Still Adama City. All the ball. Now it is throw in by Adama City. Dangerous attack. Adama City is about to score. Shot of target by Adamas. Goal kick. Hadiya got the ball. Hossana. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. The ball is with the Hadiya. The Adamas, they hope they will score goal soon. Hadiya is still with the ball. It is now goal kick. Attack Hadiya Hossana. Ball. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana is about to score. Dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana players. The ball is still with the Hadiya Hossana. Attack again by Hadiya Hossana. They want to score as well. They want to score another goal. Ball is still with Hadiya Hossana. The ball is still with the Hadiya. Attacks by the Hadiya. Free kick by Hadiya. It is now free kick. The Adamas, they still hope that they're going to score. It is still 0-1, nil and 1. Adama 0, Hadiya 1. We still have some time for the first half to get over. Only 1 minute remains. They might be given 3 extra minutes or 4. Still Hadiya Hossana is still with the ball. It is now Hadiya Hossana that is still hold the ball. We still have some time. We still have a few minutes. The time is now 44. We still have 1 minute only. They haven't yet been given an extra time yet. It is now 45 minutes. Okay. They are injury time 2 minutes. The injury time, I think they've been given 2 minutes only. The injury time, the time wasted. We have only 2 minutes left. Only 2 minutes that they will spend as extra time, or the time that I've been given to them. Hadiya Hossana still with the ball. Throw in by Hadiya Hossana. Throw in again. Hadiya still with the ball. Hadiya still with the ball. Throw in by Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana still hold the ball. Dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. They're about to score. Adama City got the ball. The Adama City, they still got the ball. We remain with only 1 minute. It will be full out time. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Hadiya Hossana has the ball in position again with the ball. Hadiya attacked by Hadiya Hossana. They are about to attack Adama again. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana about to score the goal. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack. Oh, Adama City got the ball. The ball is with the Adama City. In position again with Adama City. Attack Adama City. Adama City about to score the goal in this extra time. Hadiya, they still have some time in position with Adama City. We still have some time. Adama City still with the ball. They're still with the ball. Dangerous attack again. Adama City about to score. Oh, Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Still Hadiya Hossana hold the ball. The extra time is over. They've been given another 2 extra time. I think the extra time is over. Hadiya is still. Oh, dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. Throw in again by Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya, they are about to score the second goal right now on this extra time. It is now throw in by Hadiya Hossana. If Adama City fail to protect this throw in, I think it is about to be a goal. Dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attack. Oh, half time 0-1. It ends with 0-1. It is now half time. It is half time. We have from Adama, we have Sisay, we have Sharif Redwan, we have Shamil, we have Nouri, we have Moses Kiros, we have Fort Ibrahim, we have Elias again, Awol Adunya. From Hadiya Hossana, we have Negaj Tadese, we have Khalif Abebe, we have Abayne, we have Adongo, we have Bekele, we have Banja Beyene, we have Todros Tafese, we have Waldi Yohanis Tamras, we have Yosef Segap, we have Walesha Sentayo, we have Barakat Waldi Yohanis. All these are the best players from the both team, Adama City versus Hadiya Hossana. Right now, the first half end with 0-1, which is not bad. So the next prediction will be on the second half. Who is going to score? Will the Adama City score, or will Hadiya Hossana score the second goal again? What do you think will be the second half outcome? Do you think the Hadiya Hossana will win, or Adama City? What is the prediction? Right here, Adama City got 29% and Hadiya Hossana 54%. It means that Hadiya Hossana is gonna defeat Adama City, depending on the vote here. we have people that are voting right now here, and they say that Adama City will not score or will not win. That is what they vote for, and only 16% say that the two team will draw, and 52%, like 52% say that Hadiya Hossana will win, and then 32% say that Adama City will win. So what do you think? Do you think that Adama City is gonna score any goal in the second half? Okay, now we're gonna spend a few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, and then we will get back to you because it is now extra time, and then we are about to begin the second half time. And please do not go away. Keep on watching. If you look here, we have it is now the Adama at it got one yellow card. Corner kicks. Adama got one, and then Hadiya got three. On Adama, it is 40%, and then Hadiya 60%. The comparison. When we go to the attacking times, this Adama got only 8 seconds, and here we have done just attack, it is 39 or 42, and the average attack is 11 here. We have these are the win probability. Sometimes when we think of when we talk about which team are going to win the match, most of the time we think of the percentage been given to the team, like the draw. When we say that this team, look at the team here, the team, they say that Adama City got 7%, and draw it is 22%, and Hadiya Hossana 71%. It means that the Hadiya, they are going to win the match, depending on this prediction here. So when we look at the percentage here, the Adama got only 8%, and then draw is 22%, and Hadiya Hossana got 70%. It means that the Hadiya probably they are going to win the match the second round. So the previous meeting, it was 0 and then 1, and then this is draw. It is 4, like. So what we are looking at here is the percentage or the prediction that been given to the both team, which team going to win and which team is going to fall behind. So 69% it is Hadiya that gonna defeat the Adama City. So the Adama City, they are falling behind, and this is just a prediction. Here we have some of the teams, like those teams that did play: Ethiopian, Mekelekia, Baydar Kanema, St. George, Adama City, Fasil Kanema, Sidama, Bunna, Ethiopia Coffee, and so on. And when you look at the the position, or which come first from the team, let's look at the Adama City. Adama City is number 5, and Hadiya, it is number somehow we're gonna look at the positions. So we have so many team here that we're gonna look at. So this is the first half, like throw in and the rest of the things. So here we still in halftime, which is 0-1. Halftime it end with 0-1. League position, it is 53% from, and then 47% from the Hadiya. So mostly the Hadiya, they are going to win the match on the second halftime. Well, if the Adamas did try to put through, they might score a couple of goals, so that they might be lucky. If they try, they can reach, because the gap is only 1 right now. They can even draw if they try so hard. So far the prediction was it might be 2-1, 1-2 or 2-1, something like that. Like Hadiya might win with 2-1 and not 3-1. And if it happen, if Adama City they not got any injured on the second match, the Adama might reach the Hadiya team. So those are probability, and nobody know the outcomes. But right now, most people, the people that are voting right now, they are saying that 48% Hadiya Hossana are going to win, and 37% they say that Adama City will not. So those are the prediction that we have at the moment. So please keep on watching. The second half started. Now please drop your comment, vote which team going to win the second match, the second round. We have right now it is free kick. It is free kick right now. Adama City, it is 35%. Hadiya, Hossana, it is 48%. And draw, it is 16%. What do you think going to be? Do you think Adama City is going to score any goal on the next 10 minutes on the second match, on the second round? What do you think? Do you think Hadiya, Hossana going out another second goal? Or do you think that they're gonna draw? What is your prediction? Drop it there, please. We have Adama City. Now it is free kick from Adama City. Adama City still hold the ball. We have yellow card. Yellow card. Number 47 got yellow card. Number 47 from Adama. We have Sisai from Adama, Sharif, red one from number 31. We have Shamil, 18. We have Nuri. So those are the players from Adama. And Hadiya, Hossana, we have Negash Tadese. We have Khalif Abebe. We have Abaine. We have Adongo and the rest of the team players. So they are doing the best they can to win the match. It is now attack by the Hadiya. Dangerous attacked. Hadiya hold the ball. We still have 0-1. Adama City 0. Hadiya Hossana 1. Dangerous attacked by Hadiya. The Hadiya want to score the goal. It is now the ball is still with the Hossana. Hadiya still hold the ball. Adama City, it is 30% and Hadiya Hossana. Now it is corner kick. Hadiya Hossana 47%. So the people that are voting right now, they are saying that Hadiya Hossana is going to win the match. What is your say on this? Do you think the Hadiya team going to score, or do you think Adama City going to score? It is now attacking from Adama City. Ball saved again by Adama City. A dangerous attack. Adama City got the ball. Attack Adama City. We have Adama City still holding the ball. Ball saved by Hadiya. Attacking from Adama City. Adama City got the ball. Adama City still with the ball. The Adama want to score the goal. Attacking from Adama City. Adama City still hold the ball. A dangerous attack by Adama City. Dangerous attack from Adama City. It is now free kick. Adama City. Adama City, they are about to score the goal. They are about to reach Hadiya. It is now a free kick from Adama City. It is free kick, Adama City. You know, Adama City might be lucky to score the goal on this next 5 minutes or next 6 minutes. It is still free kick. Oh, dangerous attack by Adama City. Dangerous attack. Adama City still hold the ball. Dangerous attacked. Adama City still hold the ball. Dangerous attacked Adama City. Yellow card Adama City. Free kick by Hadiya Os. It is now free kick. Do you think Adama City going to score any goal soon? Do you think Adama City? It is now thrown by Adama City. Please keep on voting. Which team do you think going to win the gap das numera, because it is still 0-1. Adama City might score goal anytime soon. What do you think? What's your prediction? And please do not stop to subscribe to the channel, support the channel, so that I can be able to bring or stream in a live game. Attack Adama City, attack from Adama City. They are attacking Hadiya. Adama City is still with the ball. The Adamas, they are very strong. I don't know how Hadiya managed to score any goal. Attack Adama City. The ball position is with the Adama City. A ball saved. A ball saved by Hadiya. It is now dangerous attack. Hadiya. The ball is still ball saved again by Adama City. Adama City, they might be lucky to score any goal soon. If not, the Hadiya Hossana team will score the second goal, and that will be dangerous look for Adama. Adama City, they got the ball. The ball is still with the dangerous attack. Adama City, dangerous attacked. Adama City still hold the ball. A dangerous attack. Dangerous attacked. Adama City about to score the goal. Dangerous attacked. It is now dangerous attack. Still Adama City hold the ball. Dangerous attacked. Oh, it is now corner kick. Dangerous attack. Adama City. Dangerous. Oh, shot of target. Goal kick again by Hadiya Hossana. Goal kick. It is shot of target again. Or goal kick again by Hadiya Hossana. attacking from Adama City. Attacking from Adama City. It is now 65 minutes. We still have 25 minutes to end of the second match. It is now Adama City. They still have the ball. Dangerous attack from Adama City. Hadiya got the ball. Hadiya still with the ball. Who do you think going to score? It is now free kick. It is now free kick. It is free kick. It is now free kick. Free kick by Hadiya Hossana toward the Adama City team. Oh, third time Hadiya Hossana got injured at 66 minutes. The Adamas got injured. Their injury. This is a dangerous way to look at it. If Hadiya Hossana still got injured, it meant that Adama City, they will score a goal sooner. And we are expecting this match to end with 1-1 or 2-1. That is just probably it will end with 2-1. Since Adama City, they are lucky, to score the goal soon. Adama City still got the ball. Adama City, it is dangerous attacked by Adama City. Adama City is about to score the goal. Dangerous attacked. Adama City. It is now still dangerous attacked. Adama City, dangerous attacked. It is corner kick by Adama City. Adama City got 4 corner kick, and then Hadiya got 4 too. At 67 minutes, Adama City managed to get a corner kick. This is a time dangerous attack by Adama City. Dangerous attack. It is corner kick again by Adama City. I don't know how Hadiya Hossana managed to score the first goal. If this is how the Adamas play, the Adama team, they are very strong. But the voters, though, they are saying that Hadiya might be the winner. Hadiya Hossana, they are saying that 50%. It is now dangerous attack Adama City. Adama City, they are about to do something. Adama City. Oh, corner kick by Adama City. Corner kick. Dangerous attack by Adama City. The ball still with the Adama City. Dangerous. Ball is saved by Hadiya right now. Ball saved Adama City. The Adamas, they are about to. Okay, they saved the ball. Adama City is still with the ball. Adama is still with the ball. Likely, Hadiya Hossana might be lucky winner, but still we can say that they might have a chance of winning. But in this series match, the way the Adamas attacking the Hadiya, they might not be that lucky to win. They might end up drawing because of the ball position, and the ball position is being taken by the Adamas the way they are playing right now. It is now free kick. Adama City got the ball. The Adamas still with the ball. Adama City might score the goal soon. Adama City. Shot of target by Adama City. Shot of target. Everybody here on the voting, they are expecting Adama to score. Still, Hadiya got the ball. Hadiya Hossana, they are playing toward Adama. They want to score. It is now a throw-in. Hadiya got the ball. The Hadiya team, it is now thrown by Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hadiya got the ball. It is not throwing. This is a dangerous place. If the Adama do not carefully tackle this, they might end up getting a ball. It is still throwing. Oh, dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana about to score. Hadiya. Oh, Hadiya still. They steal all the ball. Free kick. Adama City got the ball. The ball is in position of Adama City. Adama City still got the ball. Dangerous attacked. Adama City. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Wow. The ball is still with Adama City. Hadiya got the ball. It is now throw in. The percentage from Hadiya Hossana is it is now reducing to 47%. At first they were at 50, but now it is 47%. Adama City still with 38%. It means that Adama City might score a goal anytime sooner. So people are expecting the Adama City to score a goal. Attack by Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana is all the ball. It is now dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana still all the ball. Oh, now Adama City got the ball. Hadiya Hossana got the ball again. Hadiya Hossana, they still have the ball. Dangerous attack. Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attack. Oh, Adama City saved the ball. The ball is in position of Adama City right now. Adama City dangerous attack. Dangerous attack by Adama City. Oh, Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Hadiya Hossana still. Oh, dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attack. Hadiya still all the ball. Dangerous attack again by Hadiya Hossana. Oh, it is corner kick. Hadiya Hossana, they got a corner kick at 73%. 73 minute. Both the team got 5-5 corner kick. It is now corner kick from Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana. It is now their corner kick. They might be lucky to win the second goal anytime sooner. Dangerous attacked by Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attack. Oh, Adama City got the ball. Hadiya Hossana still with the ball. They managed to get the ball back. Oh, Hadiya Hossana got injured. This is the third time they got injured at 74 minutes. We still have 16 minutes for the second half time to complete. In Hadiya Hossana so far they have three. They got their three players got injured. It is injured time. They got injury. Still we have 16 minutes remaining. It is still injury time. The team player got injured. Both team might draw. That is the probability that we have right now. The ball is in position of Hadiya Hossana. It is now Hadiya got the ball at 76 minute. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Adama City got 44% right now, which means that the Adama City they are about to score. Hadiya Hossana got 42%. The voters are now voting for Adama City. Seen Adama City been playing very well. They managed to get the ball position. Adama City, it is now 44%, depending on the vote from the people that are streaming. Adama City, it is 44%, and Hadiya Hossana 42%. And the minutes that remain are 14 minutes. 14 minutes toward the end of the second match. Attacking from Adama City. Adama City got the ball. Adama City got the ball. The ball is still with the Adama City. Adama City. It is now dangerous free kick. Adama City. Dangerous free kick. Dangerous free kick from Adama City. Dangerous free kick. It is dangerous free kick. That is the chances that the Adama City has right now. Dangerous free kick. Dangerous free kick at the moment. Dangerous free kick. Adama City got the ball. Still, it is still a dangerous free kick. It is dangerous free kick. Oh, dangerous attacked. Oh, it is now shot of target by Adama City. Ball is in the position of Hadiya Hossana. It is now goal kick. 2 minutes remain for the game to get over. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Goal kick. It is now goal kick. Somehow Adama City might score, and the match end up with the draw. It is now Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana toward Adama City. The Hadiya Hossana, it is now thrown by Hadiya Hossana. The ball is in the position of Hadiya Hossana. It is now thrown by Hadiya. Many are expecting a goal from Hadiya Hossana. It is dangerous attack right now from Hadiya. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attack. Oh, Adama City managed got the ball. Dangerous attack. 1 minute remain to be 80 minutes. We have 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, the game will be over. Adama City got the ball. The ball is in the position of Adama City. Dangerous attack, Adama City. Dangerous. Oh, Hadiya Hossana got the ball. It is now in the position of ball is served by Hadiya. Ball served again. Adama City got the ball. The ball is in the position of Adama City. Attacked by Adama City. Still, Adama City still hold the ball. Adama City, dangerous attack. Adama City, dangerous attack. Oh, Hadiya Hossana got the ball again. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Hadiya Hossana, they are going forward. Dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. Adama City managed to get the ball from the Hadiya attack. Adama City again. Adama City got the ball. The ball is in the position of Adama City. It is now thrown by Adama City toward Hadiya. Adama City. It is now thrown by Adama City. Ball is in the position of Adama City. Adama City got the ball. Adama City attacking again. This is a dangerous attack toward the Adama City, toward the Hadiya. Attacked Adama City. It is a dangerous time. The ball is in the place. It is the Adama City lucky time to win or to score their first goal on this match. Dangerous attack, Adama City. Dangerous attack. It is now dangerous attack. Oh, Hadiya Hossana managed to get the ball. It is now thrown by Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. It is now thrown. Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. It is in the position of Hadiya. You know, if Adama managed to score the goal, they will end up with the draw. Adama City, dangerous attacked again. Dangerous attacked. It is dangerous attacked. Whoa. Adama City is still all the ball again. It is now thrown by Adama City. Adama City all the ball. Adama City. Dangerous attack. Adama City dangerous attacked. It is now dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attack. It is now dangerous attacked. Adama City dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack. Adama City got the ball. Oh, still Adama City still got the ball. The ball is in the position of Adama City. The Adama City might act faster because they are about to lose the game. Though they got the ball position, they still haven't managed to score any goal on this match on the second half time. People are saying that this game is supposed to be 1-1, but indeed it is about to be 1-1. Dangerous attack, Adama City. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attack by Adama City. The Adama City. Oh, Adama City dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack right now. Dangerous attack. Adama City about to score the goal. Goal kick by Hadiya Hossana managed to. Oh, it is now short of target. Adama City managed it. Goal kick again by Hadiya Hossana. It is now short of target by Adama City. Hadiya Hossana managed to get the ball back. It is now thrown by Adama City again. In position, Adama City. Oh, in position, Adama City managed to get the ball from the Hadiya. This is a dangerous time. The time is about to over. It is now 83 minutes toward the 90 minutes. We remain with 7 minutes so that the second half complete. Adama City attacked. Adama City, the ball is still with the Adamas. The Adama City got the ball. The Adama City still got the ball. Dangerous attack by Adama City. Dangerous attack. Dangerous attacked. Oh, Hadiya managed to save the ball. Adama City got the ball again. Hadiya managed got the ball. Ball is saved now by Adama City. Dangerous attack by Adama City. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack by Adama City. Hadiya Hossana managed to get the ball back again from Adama. The ball is in the position of Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Hadiya Hossana managed. Oh, dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana toward the Adama. Okay, Adama City got the ball. Dangerous attacked again. Dangerous attacked. Here we have Adama City got the dangerous attack by Adamas. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack. Adama City got the ball again. Adama City. Hadiya managed to get the ball. Hadiya is about to win the match. Adama City, dangerous attack. Adama City, dangerous attacked. Whoa, dangerous attack. Dangerous attacked. The Adama's about to score the goal. Adama's about to score the goal. Dangerous attacked. Then dangerous attacked right now. The ball is in the position of Adama. Adama City. Adama. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attack by the Adama. Wow, Adama City returned the ball back to the players. The ball is in the position of Adama City again. Adama City got the ball. The Adamas, they are looking forward right now to score. Hadiya Manai to get the ball back again. Hadiya Manai, dangerous attack again by Hadiya. It is about to be 0-2. Dangerous attack. Oh, the ball is in the position of Adama City. I think it is not normal time. These are dangerous time. The ball is served by Adama. Adama City got the ball. They managed to get the ball back. It will be either 0-2 or 1-1. You know, this game is not gonna be over 2.5. It will be under 2.5, depending on the way the players are playing right now in the ball position. Adama City got 42% and Hadiya Hossana 44%, and the draw is 14%. No, I believe the two team might draw. Dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attacked. It is dangerous attacked. Oh, Adama City managed to get the ball back. It is now in the position of Adama City. The ball is in the position of Adama City. Many are saying that the game will end with 0-2, and few are saying that the game will end with 1-1, which is draw. Adama City got the ball in. Hadiya managed to get the ball back. Hadiya Hossana got the ball back. The ball is in the position of Hadiya. Free kick now by Hadiya Hossana. Free kick. It is now free kick. It is free kick now. The ball is in the position of Hadiya. You know, both team really did play well. They both are proportional. It is now dangerous attack by Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. The Hadiya about to score the goal. Hadiya Hossana. Dangerous attacked. Hadiya Hossana are attacking the Adama City. Hadiya Hossana. It is now dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked again. Hadiya Hossana about to score a goal, second goal. It is dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Dangerous attacked. Hadiya Hossana. They are about to score the goal. Dangerous attack right now. Dangerous attacked. Still, the Adamas haven't yet got any chance to get the ball back from the Hadiya. It is dangerous attack right now. Dangerous attacked. It is dangerous attack right now. Dangerous attack. It is 89 minutes. It's now 91 minutes. We are on the extra time. It is still 0-1. It is now 90 minutes. Adama City is about to lose and Hadiya Hossana is about to win. Yet still, it is still probability because we still have some remaining minute. So still the Adama might score. They might end up with a draw. Just probability, you know. If Adama City is lucky, they might, score any goal. It is now dangerous attack to Adama City. Shot of target now by Hadiya. The Hadiya, they want to score their second goals, and the Adama were like, no, you can't. Now it is a goal kick by Adama City. It is dangerous time right now because we are on the extra time. They have been given 5 minutes, 5 minutes as extra time. If Adama City play that well, they might score a goal, or if Hadiya manage, to play well again, they might even get the second goal. The goal, it is now goal kick by Hadiya. Goal kick. Hadiya Hossana got the ball. Dangerous attacked. A ball saved by Hadiya. It is now dangerous attacked. Ball saved by Adama City. Adama City. The ball is still with Adama City. Keep on voting on this remaining few minutes. We remain with 2 minutes. Ball saved by Hadiya Hossana. Time is flying. Adama City, they got the ball position. And now it is free kick from Hadiya Hossana. Hadiya Hossana, they are about to win the match since they score 1 goal, and many are expecting Adama City to score the goal so that it will be draw, while the Hadiya Hossana is like, no, you can't score in goal. So they want to win the match, and now they are really attacking each other's, and it is now short of target by Hadiya's. They want to score their second goal. It is now goal kick by Adama City. We still have 1 minute remain. 1 minute will be the end of the match. So it is now on number Adama City, or it is now on number Hadiya Hossana to score your second goal. Adama City, it is now thrown by Adama City. Adama City are attacking the Hadiya. It is now dangerous time. Adama City got the ball. Adama City got the ball. Adama City, dangerous attack. Adama City, oh, still Adama City has the ball. Dangerous attack from Adama City. Dangerous attack. Adama City. It is now another dangerous attack. Adama City, dangerous attacked. Oh, Hadiya got the ball back. The Hadiya team got the ball back. They are about to score. Adama City got the ball. Adama City. The time is finished. It is already 5 minutes. Dangerous attack by Adama City. Hadiya Hossana managed to get the ball back. Time is over. We are now playing seconds, not even a minute. The time is over. Hadiya Hossana is the lucky winner. Congratulations to Hadiya for winning the match with 1-0. Adama City also did try their best to reach. Unfortunately, they didn't make it. It is now 0-1. Adama City lose, and Hadiya Hossana win the match. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.